Hey, welcome to my channel. Today is an unboxing video. Please like, subscribe. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Like it, thumbs it down, doesn't matter. I'm just shouting that out. Today's first package is Amazon Prime. I've tried filming this before. My tablet decided to freeze on me. So it's Prime. The first two are from Prime. Ray Home, it's batteries and battery charger. 8-bay smart LED charger for double and triple. You get 4 double and 4 triple. Awesome sauce. I'm not unboxing it or anything because I did that in the last video, which my tablet decided to freeze. Another freebie, coffee, Sip and Joy. The 5-inch black sip stirs. Hey, you could use these for cocktails, coffee. That's what they look like. Awesome. Awesome sauce. There's that. Now, sample source time. If you don't know what sample source is, it's like Pinch Me, Sampler, and a bunch of other companies. Let's see, what did I get? I'm not pulling it out one by one because it would take me a minute. Wow, only 2 products. Yay. Bona, hardwood floor cleaner. That's cool. It's not the little bottle. It's a cute sprayer. That's cool. That is cool. Thin pads. 3 regular. Never know when you need them. It's always good to have them stocked up. From Torrid. I've seen this shirt in Torrid before. I was there in February at my local Torrid. Well, one of my local. If you didn't know, I live in the Northeast Pennsylvania area. So I saw this shirt. I'm like, I cannot wait. I'm excited. I felt it in store. I shared a photo of it with my mom online through Messenger on Facebook. I already know I hope it's gonna fit me, which, oh my god, yeah, it's gonna fit me. Oh my god, yes, it's gonna fit me. I am stoked about this because I only own one Torrid product. This is the second one, and I fell in love with how this feels. Feels soft and snuggly. This was on sale. I think it was like 25 something, like 25, 26 something. I had $10 in my account because it's my birth month. So this cost $35.50. Was 24 something plus 10, so I only paid like about 15 bucks. About 15 bucks. I'm stoked about this. Yeah. $14.85. Oh!
We have a new smart...
My phone is
Childhood.
weird. My phone is weird today. Don't mind that interruption from my phone. I am obsessed with this. I love this, how the skulls look, and it feels so soft and snuggly. Oh! I cannot wait. Now, without further ado, this is from Sephora. It's from Sephora. It is. It's from Sephora. I placed this, I think, on the 8th of this month. I did. I placed it on the 8th of the month. I placed it. I'm stoked. So, first things I picked up. Let's see. Yes. These sheet masks. I got 4 of them. I love the fake lip mask. This is in the rose lip mask. I love lip mask. I've used one from Choosy, a friend of mine from a beauty group. I don't think is no longer is active. Sent me it a while ago and I forgot about it. So I used it one day and I'm like, I'm obsessed. I love this. I am so happy. Like, that's why I got 4 of them. And these, I think these were, wait, the rose mask. Shit, it doesn't say. It does not say. I think these were, I'm looking for my phone. Hold on, there's gonna be a little interruption. Here. An interruption, because I think it was like $3. I think it was $3. Yeah, these were $3 each. 3, 6, 9, 12. $12 for 4. I don't mind paying that much. Plus, I used a gift card. That's how I got all these products. I'm keeping the app open on my phone. Now, next things I shall say are these oils, multi-purpose oils. I got the hemp one. Got the hemp one. Looks like that. I'm happy they placed the little sticker thing over so that nothing gets wonky. Nothing's wonky. Just want to see. I just wanted to see how it feels. Ooh, that smells good. I thought it would not. I was like, on the fence. This is for face, body, and hair. I got that one. I also got the coconut one. I got the coconut one as well. I'm pretty excited about. Oh, they were $5 each. They were originally $8, but they were on clearance. The coconut is out of stock. So I must have got the last one. The hemp seed is in stock on their online on the website. Now let's get into the birthday gift, shall we? I'm stoked. So I picked out. You had a choice between some hair care. I forget the name of it. I forget the name of it. I do. I forget the name of it. I forget the name of it. Yeah, I forget. I do not remember. Bro. I think it's this brand. I forget. It's some hair care brand. This shit. The Boom Boom Cream people. That or Milk makeup. I picked out Milk makeup because I love their stuff. I'm obsessed. Never in my life did I try the lip and cheek thing or the mascara, but I did try this before. I love it. It's awesome. I would totally use it again. Oh, Kush mascara. I really wanted to try it. That's the main reason behind why I chose to get this. The birthday gift. I decided to get the birthday gift. Main reason was this guy. The other thing I wanted to try, I was intrigued by it. I want to do a little swatch. I don't think I'm going to use it as a blusher. But I'll probably use it more as a lippy. Yeah. See, that's what it is. It looks like that. I'm like, I love that though. For lips, it would look awesome. That was free, the freebie. Two of the samples this month, or this time around. I picked out the Makeup Forever HD Ultra HD foundation. I think I tried this before. I think this may work for me. This one, I think it may work for me. It's Y225. It may. because that's usually the color I am. And Dior Lip Glow. Yeah, that's what I got. I picked. I'm using a ring light that I got yesterday in the mail. Yeah, yesterday in the mail. I also got these from Amazon in the mail yesterday. I really, 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 really am happy and thrilled. Yeah, you can barely even smell the oil, which I wanted these for more face-wise, face and skin, not so much hair, but that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I really, really like these. Love the birthday gift. It's my favorite. I liked the other two options, but milk spoke to me in ways. It spoke to me. So that's it for this video. Bye!